In this video, we're looking at the U.S. Industrial Hydraulic Press Brakes. These press brakes are available from 22 tons to 250 tons, and with 4 feet to 13 feet bed lengths. Larger models are also available upon request. U.S. Industrial Press Brakes are available with CNC or manual controls. The 2-axis color graphic CNC will control both the bend angle and back gauge position, and can accommodate multiple bends per program. Programs created within the control can be stored on external flash drives for virtually unlimited program storage. Press brakes equipped with the manual operator's pendant allow for front-operated power back gauge movement with momentary buttons, as well as fine adjustment of the position using the fine adjustment handwheel located just under the bed. The ram control is also motorized, with the fine adjustment handwheel located just behind the ram on the right side. Manual controls also have a dwell timer, emergency stop, and key power switch. All U.S. industrial press brakes come with a gooseneck punch and multi-opening V-die for up to 90-degree forming in 10-gauge mild steel or lighter material. Specialized tooling is also available. Our unique ram clamps can accept many different styles of tang, such as the American safety tang tooling as shown, standard style tooling with no safety tang, Z1 European tooling, and 1/2 inch square tang tooling. The spacing between the ram clamps allows for deep box bending, eliminating the need for deep box bending tools. In addition, the slot in the bed of the press brake can accept dies with a 1/2 inch by 5/8 inch tang, common to American bed tooling. All U.S. industrial press brakes include the SICK C4000 safety light curtain. Alternative safety devices are also available. The safety gates on either side of the machine can swing out, allowing the operator to remove a bent cross-section from either side, rather than pulling it out of the front. Our press brakes have the rapid approach of the ram, the slower bending speed, dwell time at the bottom of the stroke, and rapid return. The ram position control box allows the operator to set the rapid approach and the slow bending speed transition points on the machine. All U.S. industrial press brakes include a rear safety gate with micro switch protection, which will disable the machine when open to allow for maintenance. The back gauge has 24 inches of travel and comes standard with 3 manually adjusted fingers on the back gauge beam. These fingers can be manually positioned from left to right and up and down. U.S. industrial press brakes are equipped with a ram deflection adjustment beam, as well as a massive torsion bar linking the 2 hydraulic cylinders, keeping the straightness of the ram. Press brakes are equipped with a sizable hydraulic oil tank as well as adjustable pressure depending on the operator's bending requirements. All press brakes also come with a robust electrical cabinet with industry standard electrics, which are always in stock in Memphis, Tennessee.